Just want to continue the update for my documents. This is the reason why I do some live today in order to update all of you guys about the status. What is the status of my lost documents? The new documents which is required as a seafarer to have a new documents in order for me to going back to the ship. I need to complete all the requirements again. And luckily guys, my documents, my new documents as of now are almost finished. So, almost finished. So, ini-inform ko lang yung mga kaibigan ko, mga ka-seafarer, mga kasiman, mga kasamahan sa trabaho guys, almost malapit na. So bukas, tomorrow it's Friday. Today is I think it's 24 or I don't know. Today is Thursday. I think it's today is 25, August 25. So tomorrow is 26. So I need to report to Magsaysay. We will process as well my seaman's book. So soon, guys, hopefully all of my new documents are finished. So I'm hoping and praying that it will be gonna be okay in the near future. So in order for me to going back on board to the ship. So it's a big lesson learned for me guys. So this is the reason why I want to inform all of my friends about the update of my missing documents. So sa lahat naman na training certificate ko guys, lahat naman yan ay puro pa siya ay updated. So lahat naman yan na-reprint na from Far East, from CITIC, from Magsaysay. All of my documents are already printed. So I have only the training certificate which is I need to apply again COP for this, which is IGF, and the other one is DSD, which is I'm not able to reprint this again in my account of mismo. I don't know what happened. Then when I go to the Marina, the advice from Marina, I need to reapply COP for the replacement of missing IGF, COP, and HDHD. So guys, my advice for you guys, especially for all seafarer, to all seafarer, all OFW. Guys, ingatan natin. Please always take care for your personal belonging as well as your documents, especially the travel documents. Please take care. Don't leave your travel documents unattended. Please don't leave your travel documents unattended. It's very difficult guys to process a new documents. Yes, very difficult, especially when you don't have a valid ID, because all of my valid ID are also missing. So it's very difficult for me guys to process one of my documents. So this is my very bad experience inside the hotel of ALEXANDRE Hotel FrontAir Congress in Barcelona. So anyway, it's a part of experience, but it will not happen again for me guys, because it's already happened to me. So the reason why I want to share my experience to all seafarers in OFW, in order for you guys, this is a lesson learned, and I believe it will not happen any one of us that one of our documents is gonna be missing inside the lobby of this hotel. And don't worry guys, for me, for my side, as I said, all of my documents, the new documents are almost done. So soon, and I will process again my other documents. And we will see us again on board any one of the passenger ship of AIDA, guys. We will see us again somewhere. So, and thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much. And shout out doon sa aking mga kaibigan na sumuporta kay George sa oras ng pangangailangan. Counting advices o mga kausap o anuman, nangumusta, what happened, hepe, why your luggage missing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa inyo, guys. Maraming salamat doon sa mga kaibigan natin na hindi nakakalimot sa oras ng ating pangangailangan. So dito natin nakikita yung mga kaibigan, tunay na kaibigan. In return, shout out sa inyo, guys. God bless sa inyong lahat at pagpalain po sana kayo ng buong may kapal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito po ulit si George Liagas. Kitty George. Yeah. My YouTube channel. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe my YouTube channel, Kitty George Casero. Yeah, guys, I just want to update, especially doon sa aking mga kaibigan. Yan, na sumusubaybay kung ano ang update ng nawala yung update ng mga nawala kong travel documents dyan sa loob ng lobby ng ALEXANDRE. Yan, ALEXANDRE. Yan, Hotel FrontAir Congress dyan sa Barcelona. So guys, i-update ko lang kayo. Medyo ito nakakatawa na ibalita. Kaya lang, gusto ko lang kayong i-update. Gusto ko kayong mahingian din ng comment ng mga itatanong ko. At dahil mayroon na pangyayari na medyo hindi ko lubos na maintindihan na nangyari doon sa aking document. So guys, 3 days ago, i-update ko kayo. Nag-email yung agent doon sa barko. Yan, in-inform yung barko na yung aking documents ay na-recover raw, may nag-turnover kung saan man dyan sa police, dyan sa Barcelona o kaya sa hotel. Hindi confirm kung saan nakuha yung nasabing document. So sa madaling sabi, nag-email yung agent doon sa crew parser. At yung crew parser nag-send sa akin ng email na pinasisinda ko ng email sa barko just to inform me that my documents allegedly recovered. But unfortunately, guys, very sad. It's a prank. Alam ba nyo? Yeah, guys, alam ba nyo kung ano ang isinauli doon sa napakarami kong nawala? Nawala na ako ng passport, seaman's book, lahat ng documents ko nandoon. At alam nyo ba kung ano ang naibalik lang? May nagbigay sa agent. Hindi clear kung sino ang nagbigay sa agent. Yung pinakaluma kong passport, yan, which is kasama doon sa loob ng aking backpack na nanakaw doon sa lobby ng ALEXANDRE, doon nga sa Hotel FrontAir Congress. Yung passport na pinakaluma ko, yung pinag-renewan ko, yun ang sinauli sa agent, at yung agent naman i-turn over doon sa barko. So mali yung information, yung documents ko, kasi pag sinabing lahat ng documents ay nasa uli, ang ninakaw lang raw yung aking mga gadget, which is mali yung information, guys. So sa madaling sabi, ang naibalik lang, ako yung nagtataka, guys, siguro paki-comments ninyo sa baba ng aking vlog na to, dito sa aking live, kung ano ang ibig sabihin, bakit sinauli yung lumang passport ko, bakit hindi yung bagong passport. Kahit sana yung passport na bago na lang isinauli dun sa crew parser, masaya na ako doon dahil mahirap kumuha ng passport. So sa madaling sabi, kinonfirm ng crew parser ng barko na ang i-turn over ng agent doon sa barko ay yung luma kong passport, which is already expired. So hindi ko na kailangan. So kaya ako guys, natatawa na lang guys. Natatawa na lang ako. Siguro talagang ganito talaga, lesson learned. So kaya napakahirap. It's very difficult guys to explain. And maybe you can give me some comments. What is the reason why somebody, maybe the bad guys, intentionally return this old passport in order to ask some money or what from me? It's okay, no problem if they return all the documents, because after my documents was missing. It was on 11 of August between 10:30 to 11. So I stay in hotel which is in the hotel of ALEXANDRE Hotel FrontAir Congress for 3 days, because I going home which is on August 14, going back to the Philippines. So I don't really understand guys why they return the old passport. So this is a big lesson learned guys for all the seafarers, especially for me. Big lesson learned. Maybe there is a reason why they don't return the new passport, which is my passport is the expiration of my passports until 2027, so it's still valid. So I don't know. Maybe there is a reason behind. Maybe they will ask some money from me or from the agency or from somewhere else. Why they return, instead of returning the new passport, they return the old passport. So my old passport, it's already in Magsaysay. The crew parser, she sent this already to Magsaysay. So I will take my old passport. At least I have a very good experience. At least one of my missing documents, even though this is already expired, return it back to me. So, yeah, okay. Yeah, Sabio Fernandez, shout out sa iyo, kaibigan. Shout out from India. Sabio, thank you my friend. Thank you for watching. My friend, this is a big lesson learned for me. Maybe you can share this video to our colleague, Sabio, especially to the Indian guys. Shout out to all the Indian crew members of AIDA. Shout out to all of you guys. Shout out. So I just want to share my very bad experience inside the hotel, inside of this ALEXANDRE. Yeah, which is most of these crew members who will embark in the ship the following day, they will stay in this hotel. So the lesson learned for these guys, please don't leave any kind of documents in this hotel guys. This hotel is very dangerous guys, very dangerous. So maraming salamat. Happy Jules out. Thank you.